Here's my quick recipe for a spicy tomato soup using some red curry paste. This is fantastic when you've got a little bit of curry paste left over from a curry, add it to a soup and you've got a fantastic meal. So I've just been heating up some oil. I'll add about a tablespoon of red curry paste, which is a combination of chili, galangal, there's also some lemongrass in there. And you want to give that a stir just to cook off for a moment. As soon as you smell that it's aromatic, we can add the tomatoes. And I always like to roast them off first, along with some onions. So they can go in. And some vegetable stock. And now this just has to come up to the boil and it simply needs to cook for 10 minutes. Soup is smelling good, but I want that creaminess. So a splash of coconut milk, and give it a blend until it's smooth. Done. Soup is ready. Let's serve it in a big, generous bowl. The combination of tomato, red curry paste and coconut milk. It's just so comforting, particularly on a cold winter's day. This is exactly what I feel like for a very quick meal. And to garnish it, because I do have some coconut milk left, just a drizzle over the top. And some coriander. Simple soup, that's what we're after in winter.